Hi guys, happy Sunday. So hopefully you guys are enjoying your day. Yeah, I have a really fun vlog for you today, so hopefully you will enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. If you guys can share these videos to your Facebook or to your other social media, post on your Instagram, that would really help me a lot. But yeah, all right, let's get into the video. All right guys, so I have a little bag and I'm gonna go show you guys like the little stores down the street. This is actually gonna be funny because I have to walk like really in like the local area. And I feel like people always wonder what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm gonna walk there by myself and we're gonna see it. Look, he has a customer now. So yeah, I'll show you guys. And also there's a little like jerk chicken spot that I'm gonna pass. So I'm gonna show you guys. Usually when I jump over this zinc, you guys, I just let my legs touch it because the shorts don't usually cover, but I have these like longer shorts today. So if that would have touched, then it would have got dirty. So anyway, we're gonna walk down the road. I'm gonna turn the camera in a second so you can see the jerk chicken spot that I'm talking about. Yeah, so see that little tent down there? That's the jerk chicken. The dogs are coming, obviously. Yeah, so Biko said to just ask that jerk chicken guy where the shop is. But I've already gone to this shop like a bunch of times. But usually he sends someone with me because I don't always know where it is. But today we're gonna walk there by myself. It's really close. It's just that you have to kind of go down like a few different roads to find it. So yeah, and I only have 500 Jamaican with me right now in cash. I always have this cash problem, you guys. So we'll see what juice I can get. I'm not sure. Guys, it smells really good. See the little jerk chicken spot? It smells so good. Oh my god. But I think probably the food's spicy. So that's the only problem. But yeah, you'll see it in a second. See, here's the jerk chicken.
What am I gonna get famous?
Hi.
Hi, cutie.
Yeah, so we're gonna walk to the store. There's so much dogs, look. 1,000 dogs. So yeah, we're walking to the store and get one juice. Oh, I think it's right. All right, let me show you. I felt like it was, yeah, it's here, I'm pretty sure. Okay, let's see. All right, we found the store, people. I don't want it to look like I'm filming them though. Killer Bean, come. Killer Bean, stop. Mango juice?
Mango?
Yeah, it's like carrot and mango. Friggin'. Okay.
My favorite juice here is this carrot mango juice, and it's funny because in St. Mary, everyone drank cranberry juice or cranberry water, and it's like this side of Jamaica, no one seems to drink that, and everyone drinks like different juices. So yeah, and there was Killer being the dog.
Okay. Oh, I think these are all the ones, or there's different ones in there.
Yeah, I got different ones.
Okay. Killer Bean.
Hope I see you again.
Okay, bye. Okay guys, we got the juice. Now we have to figure out across the street. Let's go. Across the street. I wanted to film more there, but it's kind of awkward. As you can see, there was a bunch of people watching. So that's the reason. But I guess I don't know if I've seen that person before, but I have gone to the store a bunch of times. But it looks like maybe I didn't see that guy before. I'm not sure because he was saying it was like a family store. So yeah, but look, you guys can see the store. Let me show you, like where our store. Yeah, see, so this is all like the fruit stores, and ours is the one with the hanging fruit, the green and yellow. And there's some other ones there too. Look at this goat. One white and black goat. But so funny, that guy with the store, I was like, do you have carrot mango juice? And he acted like I was crazy asking for that juice. And then he had the exact one I was saying. So funny. But that's better than him not having it. Only thing though, as he was saying, it was hot juice. It's not cold right now. That's the only thing. But yeah, we still got the juice, so that's good. Okay, guys, look, he just went and got me these two cute earrings. So it's, can you explain what you're saying about this one?
Yeah, this is a leaf, so me I say me like it because this go with nature. So it's a little small leaf. Come close and let them see.
Okay.
It's 2 leaf.
Yeah, it's really pretty. That one's silver.
Yeah. It's a silver with a diamond them in it. And this a gold.
Yeah.
You know where you go.
So they're really pretty, so I'm gonna try them out. He said he wants
Man,
to...
buy a girlfriend gifts, so she have a letter for your next man.
But he wanted to put them in my ears himself. But I said it's okay, I'll do it. Guys, he doesn't really know how to put earrings in. Actually, you have your ears pierced, so you do know. And somehow he knows about makeup. He knows what is foundation. Do you know
so
what?
a 4 system you have.
But no, years ago, like a lot of people don't know what's foundation. I asked someone years ago if they can buy me foundation, and they thought like foundation was just any makeup. Like they didn't know it was the thing that goes on your skin. So they just bought anything and said, here's foundation.
Sister, let me see what you doing.
Okay. Yeah, his sisters are the ones that make him know this. On a different day, I don't think I posted a video yet, he painted my nails. It was really cute. My toes, he painted them. It was really nice. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna put these in now and come back and show you guys how it looks.
Yes.
Oh yeah, this looks good. That's really nice. It's funny now, since I was used to wearing the other ones, they feel more heavy than before. But these ones, the leaf ones, will feel light. So tomorrow I'll wear the leaf. You guys are watching my video. He's reading all the comments. Okay, so I'm gonna go walk. What? Was your boyfriend on Drizzy Burke show with 6 balls? And I said no. No, right? I said no, but he knows him. What? So weird. It's a ghost call.
That looks so good.
From...
But that's your... Guys, one of his phones is getting a call from his other phone now, but we're on that phone. So it's really creepy. And then when we try to answer, no one answers. That means it's God calling. Right?
Can't see it then.
True. Could be Satan, you never know. I feel like Satan would be the one to call on phone. God would just talk in your ear.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. And remember, I have a program for
If he
losing
labels his name
weight, so if
Satan, it
anyone
would
wants a
never
life
answer,
coach
so
for
we have to
losing
label it
weight,
as you.
join my coaching program at
This is the one
sydneydiamondcoaching.com,
Satan, guys.
sydneydiamondcoaching.com. I'll put the link in the comments.
When
And yeah,
Dreamin'
I'll help you
lives in
lose
him.
weight. It's a really good community. So I'll see you guys there.
Alright, anyway.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.